Happy Halloween! Today we are making a delicious and spooky Witches Brew. To start making our Witches Brew, I have 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice going into my pumpkin pitcher. Next, I'm adding in 2 cups of vodka. You can always add more or less alcohol to your preference, but I find 2 cups is perfect. This is a fairly boozy punch. Next, we are adding in our blackberry thyme simple syrup. This adds so much flavor to our drink, and we are adding in 1 cup of simple syrup. To make our simple syrup, all I did was take 2 cups, a little over 2 cups actually, of fresh blackberries, along with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. I let this cook down for about 10 minutes over medium heat. And then I added in a few sprigs of thyme and let it cook for a few more minutes. Then I strained everything and let it cool to room temperature. And I love this simple syrup so much because it adds such a vibrant color to our drink. Next, I'm going to be adding in some Prosecco. So I will be adding in 2 bottles of Prosecco. If you are not serving this drink right away, save this to the side because you don't want your Prosecco to go flat. But as I am going to be serving this right now, I'm going to add it in. I also have some really fun ice cubes out tonight. So I have 1. It's this cool black skull because it's very Halloween-y. Also, by using black ice cubes, I just made these by adding in a drop of black food coloring. They made my cocktail purple. So if you want a purple cocktail, you can do that. But if you wanted to keep this beautiful red color, I recommend don't add in a black ice cube. But I think a black skull is pretty cool. So I'm just going to garnish my other drink with some fresh blackberries as well as some thyme. You can add in a little bit of dried ice, but I will say you do not want to drink your drink until all the dried ice has melted, or else you will not be having a very fun night. And as it is Halloween, we want it to be a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing and safe Halloween. Bye for now. See you next week.